Bulk order processing, a step-by-step guide. Bulk order processing made easy. Let's walk you through the step-by-step guide to process bulk orders efficiently using SmartHub. First, log into SmartHub using your admin credentials at this link, smarthub.amazon.in. Once logged in, navigate to the side menu and click on Order Summary. This page organizes orders by earliest pickup time. You can also filter orders by channel and dates. Under Order Summary, your first task is picking the order. Click Pick, then Create. This activates the pick list from the selected orders. To view activated pick lists, go to Active Pick Lists. Start packing the orders shown here. Click the ellipsis symbol next to the order and select Pack Now. This is where you'll pick products from the shelf and bring them to the packing station. You can print the pick list by clicking Print Pick List. This generates a list of all items to be picked from the shelf. After picking all items, click on Pack Bulk Orders. Ensure the correct box details and pickup details are displayed. For Amazon Easy Ship orders, you can select a pickup time. For Amazon Seller Flex and Flipkart orders, pickup times are fetched automatically from the marketplace. Next, select the orders you want to process, go to the Action Center drop-down and click Generate Invoice and Ship Label. This will bulk print invoices and shipping labels. After bulk processing is complete, the orders will move to the Pack tab automatically. Need to reprint an invoice or ship label? Go to Action Center and choose Reprint Invoice or Reprint Ship Label. You can also bulk reprint by selecting multiple orders. And that's how you process bulk orders seamlessly with SmartHub. Ready to optimize your order management process? For more helpful guides, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. Happy processing!